So I do a lot of mine on social media, sharing, my personal story, especially with the weight loss aspect. I think you can use social media to your advantage and network with people that, people that you don't know, that you've never met before. Some of the strangers on the internet have become some of my closest friends. And then, the refer to program that we have is amazing because you can, the people that they know a different network of people. So it just kind of has that ripple effect. You definitely don't have to be from a big area in order to be successful. Also, just sharing the stories on the Le-Vel fan page. I think that's such a powerful tool to be able to share thrivers from all over the country and all over just different health goals, because not everybody is looking for weight loss like they were for me.